pictures of celebration coming in from the Delhi airport, where Olympian star Manu Bhaker has just arrived. These are pictures welcoming Manu Bhaker at this point in time. In fact, these are pictures with her personal coach, Jaspal Rana, that has just come in from the Delhi airport after making history by winning 2 medals in one single Olympics. She, remember, is a double Olympic medalist and has now reached the Delhi airport after her campaign ended. These are pictures coming in with her coach, Jaspal Rana, and she's been given a grand welcome at the Delhi airport. These are pictures there from the Delhi airport where there is huge police personnel, security, and she's been welcomed. A huge crowd gathering there to welcome Manu Bhaker as the Paris Olympic medalist returns to India after her very successful campaign. Remember, for the first time ever, she's won 2 medals in one Olympics. Manu Bhaker has returned to India. She, remember, is India's ace shooter who did us proud these games by winning 2 medals. Huge crowd has gathered outside the Delhi airport. This is the Indira Gandhi airport to welcome the Olympic bronze medalist to the country. Manu Bhaker had won India 2 bronze medals at the Paris Olympics in 10-meter air pistol shooting event. Pictures with Jaspal Rana, her personal coach here. Manu Bhaker has gone down in the history books after her heroics at the Paris Olympics. She became the only Indian athlete to win 2 Olympic medals in a single edition of Olympics. These are visuals of Manu Bhaker arriving at the Delhi airport, where she's been welcomed by a huge crowd. It's a rousing welcome for double medalist Manu Bhaker. Remember, she won her first medal in the women's individual event and her second jointly with Sarabjot Singh in the mixed event. She actually missed the 3rd medal by a whisker in the 25-meter pistol event after finishing 4th in the finals. Pictures are from the Delhi airport of Manu Bhaker, who's just arrived at the airport. It's a rousing welcome for double medalist Manu Bhaker. India's ace shooter Manu Bhaker is now at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport, where she's just arrived after her campaign ended in the Paris Olympics, where she missed the 3rd medal by a whisker but did the country proud. She became the only Indian athlete to win 2 Olympic medals in a single edition of these games. Her second medal was won jointly with Sarabjot Singh in the mixed event. Manu Bhaker, they're going down in history books after her heroics at the Paris Olympics, becoming the only Indian athlete to win 2 Olympic medals in a single edition of Olympics. She's now returned to India amidst this rousing welcome that Bhaker has received. Jaspal Rana, her coach, alongside her in these pictures, are coming in from Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport. She won her 3rd medal. She almost won, rather, her 3rd medal in the 25-meter pistol event, but however missed it by a whisker. She finished 4th in the finals. She's definitely gone down in the history books after her heroics at the Paris Olympics, wherein she became the only Indian athlete to win 2 Olympic medals in a single edition of the Olympics.
Manu अच्छे से मेडल एक बार। मनु क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? भाई जसपाल राणा जिंदाबाद। मनु मेडल। जसपाल राणा जिंदाबाद। जसपाल जी क्या कहेंगे आप? भाई जसपाल राणा जिंदाबाद। मनु मेडल। मनु। शिवली जी कैमरा लगा हुआ है, माइक लगा हुआ है, माइक। जसपाल जी। पीछे होना यार मनु मेडल मनु एक बार मेडल दिखा दो अरे भाई मनु एक बार मेडल दिखा दो जसपाल राणा जिंदाबाद मैम थोड़ी सीट आगे करेंगे फोटो
All right, pictures are of Manu Bhaker, who's now reached the Delhi airport from Paris. India's ace shooter has now reached the country. I'm going to go straight across to Nitin for more details. It's a big, rousing welcome there for India's ace shooter, Manu Bhaker. Nitin, who's gone down in history books. After heroics at the Paris Olympics, she's won 2 medals. It's a feat.
Well, of course, and this was expected from the netizens because Manu Bhaker has a scripted history. She got 2 bronze medals over there, and this is the first time. But when Manu Bhaker was there competing in the different events, but she managed to
Coming back to you, Nitin, in a moment from now, we have a ground report by my colleague Shazia. Let's take a look.
और आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से शानदार तरीके से मन्नू का स्वागत डीसीए एयरपोर्ट पे हुआ है और अब सीधा आज मन्नू की मुलाकात स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर से भी होने वाली है शाम में दोपहर में और वहां के भी विजुअल्स हम आपको दिखाएंगे। देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से मन्नू अब यहां से रवाना हो रही है और लोगों की भीड़ जमा हो चुकी है यहां पर मन्नू को लेकर और माता पिता उनको लेने आए थे और लोग काफी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड है, उत्साहित है मन्नू को लेकर और पेरिस से 2 ओलंपिक मेडल के साथ वापस आई है मन्नू। आइए संजय जी।
The pictures coming in from the Delhi airport, where Manu Bhaker, along with her coach, has arrived at this point in time. She's getting a rousing welcome. Flower petals being showered on Manu Bhaker, India's ace shooter, who has, in fact, done the country proud and done what nobody had done earlier, winning 2 medals in one set of games that she has this time around. One was a mixed event. The first one was, in fact, a singles event. She almost, in fact, won her 3rd medal as well in the 25-meter pistol event, but missed it by a whisker after finishing 4th in the finals. It's a rousing welcome for Manu Bhaker. These are pictures coming in from the Delhi airport at this point in time. I'm going to go back to Nitin for more details on that. Nitin, what a rousing welcome there for Manu Bhaker, doing the country proud. I understand that later in the day she's also going to be meeting the sports minister. What more can you tell us? Nitin. Olympic superstar Manu Bhaker has now returned to India. It's a rousing welcome for double medalist Manu Bhaker. These are pictures coming in from the Delhi airport. Listen in to this ground report.
ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि मन्नू जो है देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि 15 अगस्त के टाइम पर जितने भी मेडलिस्ट हैं सारे वहां पर मौजूद रहेंगे। मन्नू आपको बता दें क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी के लिए इंडिया की फ्लैग बेरर भी हैं और आप देख सकते हैं कितनी ज्यादा खुश है मन्नू घर वापस आकर। वहां पेरिस में एक चीज जो मन्नू ने सबसे ज्यादा मिस की थी वो थे घर के खाने की और यहाँ पे उन्होंने हमें बताया है कि घर का चूरमा और आलू पराठा आकर वो खाएंगी। फादर ने हमें बताया उनके पिताजी ने कि चूरमा तैयार है लेकिन माँ के हाथ के गर्मा गर्म आलू पराठे के लिए अब मन्नू घर जाएंगी। जिस तरह से माता जी ने हमें बताया था कि घर जाते ही सबसे पहले वो उन्हें आलू पराठा परोसेंगी। कैमरा पर्सन संजय के साथ शाजिया अब्बास, आज तक।
All right, the report from Shazia on what Manu intends to do. She's spoken about the fact that she's been missing home food. Right now, getting a rousing welcome at the Delhi airport. These are pictures coming in from the airport where she's also, as we can see, obliging for selfies. Excited fans welcoming Manu after her great performance, in fact, at the Paris Olympics, wherein she has, in fact, undoubtedly gone down in the history books after winning 2 medals. She's a double medalist. The huge crowd has gathered at the Delhi airport to welcome Manu Bhaker. She won India 2 bronze medals at the Paris Olympics and the 10-meter air pistol shooting event. She's become the only Indian athlete to win 2 Olympic medals in a single edition of Olympics. She won her first medal in the women's individual event and her second jointly with Sarabjot Singh in the mixed event. India's ace shooter Manu Bhaker is back in the country right now. Huge crowd is gathered at the Delhi airport. These are pictures coming in of Manu Bhaker along with her coach Jaspal Rana, also receiving a warm welcome. Listen in to what the coach said. Flower petals showered on Manu Bhaker. Pictures coming in from the Delhi airport where the coach Jaspal Rana and Manu Bhaker receiving a warm welcome there from fans who are in fact also taking selfies. Manu Bhaker is back in the country after her campaign ended in the Olympics, but not before she made history by becoming a double medalist in this event. All right, I'm going to go across straight to my colleague Shazia, who's getting us more details on that big story. Shazia, we had just put out a report that you had sent us in which you were talking about the fact that Manu Bhaker was missing home-cooked food. Now, mother had in fact indicated that she's all ready to serve Manu whatever she loves eating. What really are Manu's plans from here? And also you did mention about the closing ceremony. She's going back for it. Tell us more.
Yes, Manu Bhaker has arrived in Delhi, and we spoke to her and we asked her about what she missed the most while she was there in Paris, and she said that she missed aloo paratha the most, and we also spoke to her parents, and her father told me that they have prepared churma for her, and while mother said that when she will be back home, she will serve her hot piping aloo parathas, which she missed most while she was there in Paris. She's come back, and at around 2 o'clock she will be meeting Union Sports Minister, and after that she will decide what to do. But for sure she is going back to Paris because she will be the flag bearer for India at the closing ceremony of the Olympics.